some of the magical moments we've created together over the last 4 days. A royal way good night. Thank you so much for joining us as we bid them farewell. And of course we have double trouble right here. Give it up for Chip and Dale! Oh yes fellas, thank you so much. And of course the #1 duck on the high seas, and of course Donald Duck! Yeah, give it up for Donald Duck! And the diva of the Disney Dream. It is Daisy Duck! And everybody's favourite pooch. Let's say ciao for now, it's Pluto! Alright, let's go Goofy for Goofy! Oh yeah, there you go, Goofy. See you later. And of course, it's Captain Mickey and Captain Minnie Mouse! Well, we never say farewell, we just say see you real soon, right, Mickey? So on the count of 3, I need everybody's help to say see you real soon as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3!